Have you ever considered what actually happens inside your brain during a sudden and critical event like a stroke, and what might trigger it? Yes, an ischemic stroke is absolutely caused by a blood clot. This is the most common type of stroke, accounting for about 87% of all cases, and it occurs when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted or severely reduced. The core reason behind an ischemic stroke is a blockage. Title: Is an ischemic stroke from a blood clot? Paragraphs: Have you ever considered what actually happens inside your brain during a sudden and critical event like a stroke, and what might trigger it? Yes, an ischemic stroke is absolutely caused by a blood clot. This is the most common type of stroke, accounting for about 87% of all cases, and it occurs when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted or severely reduced. The core reason behind an ischemic stroke is a blockage. A blood clot, either formed right there in a brain artery or traveling from elsewhere in your body, like your heart, gets lodged in a vessel. This clot then prevents oxygen-rich blood from reaching brain cells, which can quickly lead to cell damage and death. Think of it like a major traffic jam on your brain's highway system, stopping essential supplies from getting through. Understanding this mechanism is key to both preventing and treating ischemic strokes. To minimize your risk, consider focusing on a heart-healthy lifestyle. This includes managing blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, which are all factors that can contribute to clot formation. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are also wonderful tools for maintaining healthy blood flow throughout your body. A fascinating detail in stroke care is the concept of a window of opportunity for treatment. For ischemic strokes, time is truly brain. Treatments like thrombolytics or clot-busting medications can be incredibly effective when administered within a few hours of symptom onset. This highlights why recognizing stroke symptoms and calling emergency services immediately is so vital. It is all about restoring that critical blood flow as quickly as possible. So, while the direct answer is a clear yes, an ischemic stroke is caused by a blood clot, the deeper understanding empowers you to take proactive steps for your brain health and to recognize the importance of swift medical attention. Your proactive choices today can truly protect your brain for tomorrow. Slides. Title: Understanding Stroke Causes. Bullets. Label: Brain's critical needs. Sentence: The brain requires a constant, uninterrupted supply of blood for oxygen and nutrients. Label: Ischemic stroke defined. Sentence: An ischemic stroke is the most common type, impacting about 87% of cases. Label: Clot connection. Sentence: Yes, an ischemic stroke is indeed caused by a blood clot blocking brain blood flow. Title: The why behind the blockage. Bullets. Label: Blood flow interruption. Sentence: A blood clot prevents oxygen-rich blood from reaching vital brain cells. Label: Clot origins. Sentence: Clots can form directly in brain arteries or travel from other body parts. Label: Cell damage. Sentence: Deprivation of oxygen quickly leads to brain cell damage and eventual death. Title: Actionable steps for prevention. Bullets. Label: Heart-healthy lifestyle. Sentence: Focus on managing blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels effectively. Label: Regular exercise. Sentence: Engage in consistent physical activity to promote healthy blood circulation. Label. Balanced diet. Sentence. Maintain a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for overall health. Title. Time is brain, rapid response. Bullets. Label. Golden hour treatment. Sentence. Clot-busting medications, or thrombolytics, are most effective within hours. Label. Recognize symptoms fast. Sentence. Immediate recognition of stroke symptoms significantly improves treatment outcomes. Label. Call emergency services. Sentence. Dialing emergency services at once ensures rapid medical attention and diagnosis.